Hey, this is Samir. So it's about 6:14 right now, and we are kind of late for the meetup. Today we have kind of something special planned. So today is my first day going to Sevenstock and experiencing everything. So hopefully it goes well. I don't know what to expect, but hopefully I can bring you guys like along for the ride. I'm kind of just warming up my car. For the past week, I kind of just cleaned the car to the best of my abilities. I wanted to detail it, but I didn't really have time kind of balancing that and with work at the same time. So I did kind of just take off my whole headlights out, wet sanded it, and then made it as perfect as possible. Put it back in, polish it up, wax, everything just like that. I also put touch-up paint on some areas. I wanted to do it at more spots, but I didn't really have time for that. And then also I added a part that I should have been putting a long time ago, which was the radiator fan control switch, or I guess the relays that goes according to it. It's actually super simple. There's tons of videos out there just for that. So I didn't want to make it like a 2-minute video for you guys, but I also had like some gold like heat wrap, I guess. I'll show you guys the engine bay like a little bit later. I'm just kind of warming up my car because I'm already technically kind of late, and it takes like about an hour just to meet up at that spot. So I'm gonna kind of be quiet for now, and then I'll take you guys along for the ride, and we'll see what we get ourselves into. All right, on to the next one. All right, I meet up at the meetup spot. Apparently, I'm the first one here, so I guess I'm not late, but look at the view. Like, the view is so amazing, like the sky. I'm gonna put it like a picture before, or I guess like after, of how it was like before when I was driving on the freeway. It was so beautiful. But yeah, look at it. She's looking pretty for Sevenstock. Honestly, I am so happy. I don't think I could have made it any cleaner than how it is right now. Like, my headlights are super clear. Let me pop the hood actually open for you guys. I didn't do like so much, like, I guess visually, but I just want to show you guys how it kind of just looks. So I kind of put the heat wrap over there at the AC line, put the fan controller thing right here, the fan control switch, kind of like the negative goes right here to this pole, and I kind of routed the wire to the here because of the fuse. I guess it's connected to it from RXA Performance. And honestly, I didn't know what to do with this one, so I was like, I'll put out the hood prop for now. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of stupid, whatever, but I mean, it works. So honestly, my temps have been so like good at keeping it at like 180. But yeah, I mean, coolant, like, I think you'll like hear the fans go on a little bit later, but it's actually really like cold outside, but it's like just staying at 180. Oh, you'll hear it. Yep, that's the fans kicking on, and it'll just stay like that. I'm not so sure how well it would work in the summertime, just because that's when it's actually truly hot. But during the winter time, it keeps it very low. Like, I may have to change my thermostat just because of like how cold it is usually outside over here. Or I mean, okay, well, I mean, East Coast people, that's a different story, but like California coldness, it's just different. But I know East Coast gets really cold out there. I'm just gonna chill over here, wait for my friends real quick, and I'll see you once I reach, I guess. Yeah. So basically just met up with like my friends, and we're just kind of on the freeway, and I'm sadly the only RX-8, but I'm with a bunch of FCs, and they look so nice. They are one of my dream cars, just because I love the body shape. It is amazing. One reason is also because of Initial D, but these are very nice builds, and I love it. Dude, they look so sick. Oh. Dude, these look so nice. Seeing RX-3s, the Rapus, everything. So fucking nice. Dude, what? This is insane. I'll show you guys more at Sevenstock. So crazy. This is like my first time at a racetrack, and I didn't think Sevenstock would be my first, but I'm glad it is, because this is very nice. I like the setup that they did. So far I'm liking it. It looks super organized, and I like how organized it is. I just feel bad for the vendors because they had to be here so early. Dude, look at this. Oh, look at this. Oh man, that is crazy. This is crazy. I finally made it back home. Like, look at this. This looks so nice over here. The sky's so beautiful. California skies over here. Look at this. Sevenstock was amazing. I want to say that the people at Sevenstock made this program so wonderfully. Like, everything worked out so well. Everything went pretty smooth, at least into my opinion, just because this is my first time. Like, I didn't see like a lot of hiccups. Maybe, like, sure, you could probably argue there was probably one or two, but to me, like, I thought it was amazing. I applaud the people for Sevenstock that organized this, just for us, like me, to enjoy. Especially the vendors too, for coming out in the morning and supporting the Rotary community. It is a very small and niche community, and especially it's like worse with the RX-8s because it's very small and compact compared to like the RX-7s, like all of the generations. But I do want to say thank you to the vendors that came out. Definitely made a lot of great connections, amazing people. The staff are very, very, very nice. The people are amazing. I could literally just randomly walk up to someone and just talk to them about like their car, their build, and then like my build and everything like that. It was amazing. I do want to say, if you get the chance to go to Sevenstock, I would definitely recommend. And honestly, I would recommend bringing a friend just in case if you live a little bit further away, just because it does get a little bit tiring on the way back with, like, let's say traffic or something. Even if you don't bring a friend, you're still gonna have a great time. The food was great. They had the food trucks, and I didn't think typically I've had a bad experience with food trucks, but this time, like, it was actually very good, and I actually enjoyed looking at all the cars, all different builds, seeing unique builds actually. Like, for example, there was a Miata with the Rotary in it, and that was very nice. But it sounded so amazing. I'll probably drop a clip somewhere. It's a great feeling when you talk to companies in person. It's very different from, like, let's say, it is just different from like buying it online or emailing them. It's definitely much easier to talk to them in person about any questions or concerns you have, or even sometimes they have new products on the line that's not even hit the market yet, and you just get to see it at their stall, and you get to like kind of feel it out, see what it is, if it's going to work for you or not. But other than that, it is an amazing experience. I definitely recommend to go. But on that note, I don't want to keep on repeating myself a lot. I'm probably going to go to sleep soon. But yeah, I'm going to say peace for the night for now. But yeah, if you do like this video, please like and subscribe. At least my first experience at Sevenstock and meeting some amazing people. It's like a big, huge family, which I love. So on that note, I'm going to see you guys later. Deuce.